Welcome! Today, we're looking at a magical Chrome extension called Open in Another Browser. If you've ever found yourself needing to switch browsers instantly because a page isn't loading correctly or you need to test it elsewhere, this tool is going to make your daily browsing dramatically smoother. Why do it the hard way? Let's talk about the old way. When a site doesn't work, you usually have to select the URL, copy it, open a new browser, paste it into the address bar, and then hit enter. It's a simple task, but doing it repeatedly causes a huge loss of time and unnecessary stress. But now, there's the one-click magic. With this extension, you can skip all those steps. One click, and you're done. Let's get it installed. Phase 1. Chrome. Setting it up is easy. Since this is provided as a folder, first go to your Chrome extensions page and turn on developer mode. Next, click Load Unpacked and select the folder where you saved the extension. Finally, make sure to copy the extension ID that appears, as you'll need it for the next step. Phase 2. Setup for Mac. Now, why do we need a native host? Chrome needs a special permission slip to talk to other apps on your OS, and this host script acts as that bridge. It does require Python to run. For Mac users, open your terminal and type cd followed by a space, then drag and drop the native host folder into the window. Run the command to grant permissions, then execute the installation script. Just follow the prompts to enter your password and that extension ID you copied earlier. Phase 2. Setup for Windows. For Windows users, the process is even simpler. Just locate the install.win.bat file in your folder, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the UAC prompt, then simply paste your extension ID into the command window and hit Enter. You're all set. Customize your experience. Once installed, you can tailor the extension to your needs in the Settings menu. You can toggle whether a pop-up menu appears when you click the icon or use a shortcut. You can also pick your default browser and hide any browsers you don't use to keep your menu clean and efficient. Add a keyboard shortcut. Want even more speed? You can set a custom keyboard shortcut through Chrome's extension settings. By assigning a key combination like Ctrl-R on Mac or Alt-R on Windows to Open in Default Browser, you can trigger the transfer instantly without even touching your mouse. Mode 1. Instant Transfer. Let's look at the first way to use it. Instant Transfer. If you have pop-ups turned off in your settings, simply clicking the extension icon or hitting your keyboard shortcut will send your current page flying to your default browser immediately. It's zero-friction browsing. Mode 2. The Chooser. If you prefer to choose your destination on the fly, turn pop-ups on. Now, when you click the icon, a beautiful, personalized list of your active browsers, like Safari, Edge, or Comet, will appear. Just pick the one you want, and the page opens there instantly. Opening links, the fast way. What if you only want to open a specific link in another browser? Easy. See a link, right-click it, and select Open in Another Browser from the standard menu. The link will fly straight to your default browser, while your current page stays exactly where it is. Opening links. You choose. If you want to choose the browser for a specific link, just right-click the link and hover over Open in Another Browser. A sub-window will seamlessly reveal your list. Click your target browser, and the link opens there right away. It's perfect for multi-browser workflows. Easy access options. If you ever need to tweak your settings later, there's no need to hunt through menus. Just right-click the extension icon in your toolbar and select Options at any time to adjust your browser list or pop-up preferences. The magic summary. In summary, one click moves your current page, and 2 clicks opens any link in another browser. Stop wasting time with manual copying and pasting. Use Open in Another Browser to take control of your workspace and enjoy a seamless browsing experience.